Hi everyone. Let's talk about Drillthrough. So Drillthrough is one of the most powerful features of Power BI, in my opinion. I will explain what it is and I will show you how to set it up in your report. So let's talk about Drillthrough first. So Drillthrough, what is it and why I think it is so powerful? So Drillthrough, it's a functionality that enables you to drill from the summary view of your report to a detailed level of your report. And this feature is so powerful because it is so intuitive and aligns with the typical way how we as human perform analysis. So we finding something eye-catching at the summary level of our report, um, outliers, or any other interesting insights, and then we try to investigate it by deep diving into the detailed level of what's driving this outlier. That's what Microsoft enable us to do with this functionality. And this is how it works. So you're finding something interesting, you're hovering over a data point, then you see that drill through pop-up window appears. You navigate there and you select the page that is set up to be a drill through. So in that case, it's details page. Okay, so we come here and then we can see here what is actually driving 12.4 million of dollars total sales in October month. So first of all, I can see that it's two countries, Germany and France, who is contributing the most to that total sales. And then I can see that government sector is driving half of this sales. And then in the table on the right hand side, I can see in more details what it is. It's actually two specific products, Velo and VTT, what's driving it for France and Germany in the government sector. And that's how it works. So that's great. Let's have a look how we can set it up now. So I have created a copy of summary page, and then I created a blank details page too. So as of now, I don't have any drill through functionalities enabled here. So to start, I need to populate this table with details that I want to have in order to perform this analysis. And of course, the most obvious choice is a table with granular details of my sales. So I'll just copy this. So the data is coming from the same table. I'm using just a financials table, which is a sample that comes with from Microsoft when you've got Power BI. So everyone can connect to it and just use that. And here, all I'm doing is adding such details as date, country, segment, product, and the most important is total sales. So this is the sales which will enable me to be able to drill by. And it's the same sales measure which I'm using on this visual here. So total sales here. If you want to know more what it is, it's just a simple sum of sales measure. Okay, and then let's have a look at the rest. Then I've got two bar charts. So that's bar chart showing me, again, total sales by country. And this one is showing me total sales by segment. Then in addition to that, I've got a card visual that simply showing me again total sales. And then I've got another card visual, which is showing me what period I'm looking at. So next step is simply to make this page drill through. So let's go to page information, and then in a page type, we're gonna select drill through. In addition to that, we would like to select based on what measure or field we would like to come to this drill through page. And in our case, I'll select, I want it to be able to drill through based on total sales. So this is a common measure or a field, if you're using a field, that's gonna create this connection between summary page and details page. And that is it. It's set up now. So if I go to summary page and if I hover in over 9.5 million, and now we can see that drill through functionality is enabled on our visual, and we can get to the details page and see all the details necessary to perform analysis. What do you guys think? Do you find it useful? Have you used this drill through functionality before? Let me know down in the comment section.